Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Charlie and I made this video because I made some changes on my egg and I wanted to let you know what I did and why. The hinges did not work and I tried everything, and what it was too much fabric on top, right in here on the rim, in other words, and it just would not close. I needed more space in between, and this was the reason that it didn't work. So probably if you put the egg, say the lid, if you separate it a little bit more, it might work, but I just would not have liked the look of it. So I went to plan B, which is what I have done before, and I show you the egg that I did, the gold one, and that's basically what I did in here too. So I took it all off. Practically, I had to take all of the trim off, and then took the hinge, those hinges off, and on both sides. But listen, it was well worth it. And then I put some more new one back on, okay? Because the other one was just not very good. I did this with the Dollar Tree rhinestone, the fake ones, and then I went over around it with my real rhinestones and put a couple of pearls, on each side. And that way, I like it because it gives it a little more bling, and it gives nice little 3D too. And it really looks pretty. So I'm happy I did that. Another thing I did, I changed the front. I didn't like the other one. It was way, way too much for me. And so I found this beautiful flower and brooch, and I thought, this is it. This is what I need. So that's what I did. I put some more little rhinestones around it just to kind of give it a little more bling. We girls like bling bling. And inside, what I did was, like I said, I put more of the pink, on both sides. And then I had some braid because I had to put something on top. And I put my Chinese braid a little bit lower and on the pink one. Of course, I had a little gap. So I happened to have this pretty braid, and I put that all the way around in here and over here. And then when you close it, you see it, but it looks nice. Okay? And that's why I did it that way. And the other thing that I did was I put some seam binding, and I connected it with a little rhinestone thingy. It's not a brooch or anything, just things that I had that I got off from a necklace. And then I put the other one right on the other side, just so it will look a little nice, since, but I do like seam binding. I love it better than a ribbon because I like the way it handles and everything. So that's what I did. I kind of twirl it around a little bit to make it more like a little cord. And I like that too because it was not very, very thin, and I thought that would be great. So I done that, and then of course a little double bow, which I did with my fingers, and the bow maker, you can do it either one, but I was in a hurry, so I did mine with my fingers. And anyway, and there it is. I got the idea from the bow from Michelle Papling, and she's the one that first saw it, and I used it, and it's been great. So if you want to check her out, well, she will probably has one there somewhere. I know people, every time I turn around and watched her, somebody had asked about to do the finger bow, so here you go. And other than that, I haven't done anything else, but I really did wanted to show you the finished product because, I didn't feel right about giving you a tutorial, and that it wasn't really what I wanted. This to me is a beautiful egg. It's elegant, and then yet it's chic, it's, I don't know, I really do like it. And I love this. From now on, that's what I'm using. I'm not going to worry about those hinges unless I have to put it on something that I know is going to be, like a door or something. So anyway, also, of course, I did the little legs with the big pearls. I don't remember if I did it in the video, no, but that's what I did. And it's perfect because, like I said, it gives it a little height and it stands up. So I'm really extremely happy with it. Now I am really happy with it. So I hope you like the changes. If you like the other way, it's fine too. But check on the hinges because, like I said, you would have to have these open quite a bit to put the hinges so they'll be able to, you know, not to, so the fabric that you put, any kind of trim you put in here will not bother it. But that's what was the problem was. It was too much trim. It just will not close for that reason, okay? I make mistakes just like everybody else, but I try to rectify them. Excuse me, I got a tickle in my throat. And so, as I say, I hope you like these changes. I do. And until next time, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share if you like us. And stay crafty, and God bless you.